Wih, vlogger kak. I'm cute. There's nothing wrong if we ask our friend for some advice of self-evaluation. The wrong is you ask the wrong person.
Iya sih.
Because sometimes there is some friends who feels like your apa ya?
Enemy.
Bukan enemy sih, lebih ke kayak competitors gitu loh.
Rival. Jealous.
Yeah.
Type of
Jealousy. And I hate that kind of friends.
Tapi sebenarnya kayak gitu kelihatan nggak sih teman yang suka jealous?
Kelihatan banget.
Kayak dia. Enggak.
Try to listen to other people's opinions about us. Nah ini, that type of friends who never wants to know about yours.
Apa?
Kayak nggak mau dengerin kisah kita.
Tapi sering ngomongin diri sendiri.
Yeah. I really hate that. Life is a process. Process of what? Failing? Failure? Advice to ensure everything you do now is a process again. Just enjoy it. There will be something waiting for you in the future. What's waiting for me in the future? Failure again? Ya, inilah kalau orang yang udah kalau dikasih self reminder bebal. It always seems impossible until it's done. Right. This is right. This part. After 50 pages, I think this is the perfect quote. It always seems impossible until it's done. Remember when some PPU's fellows asked me to be their speaker and I said to you, Nis, I can't do that. And right after that, I was like, oh my god, I'm perfect.
Iya. Ya kenapa ya kita memikirkan sesuatu tuh kayak seolah ini tuh melakukan banget, kayak gak possible banget kalau misal kita akan ada di situ. Padahal kalau misal udah dilakuin bisa-bisa aja.
Overthink, terus memikirkan what kind of bad thing happen to us.
And then also the fears that the audience akan menilai kita, ini gak capable banget sih sebenarnya speakernya.
I once wanted a white glass slipper pas sepatu kaca.
Iya.
So I was angry if I didn't buy it. Until one day I met someone who had no legs. Good.
Gue pernah baca ini di buku Salt of the Sea.
Oh really?
Ada. Sumpah lu bakal suka baca novel itu.
Ya ini harus di sitasi nih. Jadi kayaknya gue rival semua dan gue kritikus ini. Don't expect anything from you have done. Menurut gue kita itu harus exhausted of what our kayak contoh aku nulis satu cerpen, aku kasih tunjuk orang, terus orang bilang bagus padahal it's my first time nulis cerpen. Jadi aku kayak berarti aku punya nih kayak gini, aku pengen belajar lagi, aku bisa lebih baik lagi nggak ya dari ini gitu.
Iya.
Aku harus expect berarti nanti di masa depan aku bisa jadi penulis. Tuh. Kamu harus haus akan sesuatu yang kamu punya. Banyak orang menganggap we start entering the world of love.
Yeah.
What do you think love is? I once said to my lecturer that love is mutual.
Oh iya. Iya, kamu bilang ke Pak Farid ya.
Yeah. Love can be anything. There is one quote about love and relationship that I really, really love.
What's that?
Your life It was hard, so make sure that your relationship is easy. Actually, I'm scared of love, but if I met the right person, then I will marry one day.
Why are you scared?
Because I always believe that love always have kadaluarsa. Cinta itu selalu kadaluarsa. Selalu ada masa kadaluarsa di dalam cinta.
Okay.
What do you think about love, Anissa? You want to marry one day or no?
Kalau orang yang gue suka, gue mau aja nikah.
Wajib kalau kita sudah
Mampu. Siap.
Kalau kita sudah siap, siap ekonomi and also emotionally.
Iya, betul. Karena we will have a big responsibility to take care to someone's son, someone's daughter.
I would like to ask to you what type of man you want to marry one day.
Definitely someone who is good for taking care to other people and also to himself, to the family as the most priority. And then yang imannya bagus. Better late than never. Jangan sampai kalian meninggal dengan keadaan kalian tidak bisa membaca Al-Quran.
I often heard that because someone always say to me, "You are a playgirl." I was. Right now, no. Forget who hurt you yesterday, but don't forget who loved you.
Enggak sih.
Yeah.
I disagree with that because sometimes we have to still remember the person that hurt us. Untuk
Maybe it's not about forget, but forgive.
Forgive. Kalau forgive, pastilah. Kalau forget kayak it's quite impossible to forget something ya.
Memory always related to emotional. Don't love someone too deep, because everything in the world can hurt you. Even yourself. Even you yourself can hurt yourself.
Tapi gue gak setuju sih.
Why?
Once I decide to love something, I will love it deeply. Apalagi ke diri sendiri. Jadi kenapa kamu kenapa kamu mengatakan cinta tapi setengah-setengah gitu?
I think it has to be balanced.
Do you really need a leader in your relationship, like a man that is capable to lead the relationship?
I think no. I'm not that type of person. Because I will find man who can lead me.
So that was my question.
Hah?
Berarti itu benar, kamu butuh orang yang bisa nge-lead kamu kan?
Yeah. How about you?
No, I'm not sih. Melihat dari masa lalu kayaknya I'm quite dominant di relationship. Jadi I'm capable to lead myself even leading the relationship. Jadi untuk sekarang ya tidak butuh banget leader. Tapi tidak tahu 10 tahun yang akan mendatang, maybe I do need men that can lead the relationship. Tapi iya sih, mantan gue yang paling dominan.
Oh iya.
Nggak punya mantan sih. Aduh.
Manusia yang suka HTS.
Ya ampun, gue HTS 1 kali cuy.
2 kali.
Kok 2 kali sih? Oh SMA ya. SMA tuh gak HTS mau ini ntar dilihat banget.
Itu namanya sembunyi di balik batu.
Iya.
Gak boleh,
Tetap harus dihitung.
itu harus dihitung. hurt when you expected so much more from the person you once loved so much. Yeah, don't expect with anyone except yourself.
Iya sih. Tapi ekspektasi itu inevitable. Kita tidak bisa menghindari ekspektasi. Pasti ada aja yang kita ekspektasikan dari seseorang. Even kita menyatakan ke diri sendiri, aduh jangan berekspektasi, tapi tumbuh tuh pelan-pelan.
Just as humans are created in pairs, feelings are also created that way. Happy and sad, joy and sorrow, love, hate, so on. It's like lupa deh gue.
Tank mineral sebesar ini dapat minumannya sebungil ini.
Apa?
Tank mineral
Oh.
di dalam tubuh.
If you are in a bad environment, don't worry if later your character will change or it could happen. And if you are in a good environment, be among people who have good personality. Don't worry if later your character will change. What do you mean? If you are
Gue juga bingung dengernya.
If you are in a bad environment, don't worry if later your character will change or it could happen.
Or it could happen gak usah gak sih?
Yeah.
And
And if you are in a good environment, be among people who have a good personality.
Ini
The
kalimat
first
ini.
sentence, the first sentence makes me question. It means that when you are in a bad environment, then you will be bad like
Yes,
that. Like that.
Kalau di positif, kamu akan jadi positif. But it's not always goes like that.
Yeah.
Karena kadang we live in the bad environment, but it changes our perspective to be even better gitu loh. It just depends on the way you think about several aspect.
For example, I have read Ray dan Perempuan. It's about prostitution. Then someone have research about the prostitution in Jakarta. It doesn't mean that you will be a bitch. That you will be that, yeah, you will join the prostitution. But I learned that bahkan seorang pelacur pun punya apa ya, emotional intelligence yang lebih tinggi gitu loh. Lebih humanized daripada orang-orang benar.
Mungkin karena mereka belajar dari hal-hal darknya ya. Gue mikir kayak pelacur itu mungkin itu salah satu cara mereka untuk survive, tapi bukan bener-bener cara mereka pengen hidup.
Some of them kayak ya nggak punya pilihan lain gitu loh.
Iya. Duh, takut banget kalau ada di titik mikir survival gitu. Takut gak ada jalan. Ada sih insya Allah.
Dan di endingnya si Ray itu dia mati, disalib. Dan sampai sekarang nggak tahu siapa yang nyalib.
Disalib jadi Kristen.
Iya.
Oh iya.
Dia matinya tuh kayak disalib di tiang listrik, terus badannya tuh penuh sayat-sayatan.
Oh my god.
And until now we never know. Terus kayak habis itu kayak di berita-berita itu seorang pelacur gitu kayak. Then what kalau dia itu seorang pelacur, kenapa nggak seorang perempuan gitu aja?
Iya. Tapi itu based on true story.
Yeah, true story.
Oh my god. Tahun berapa itu?
1980-an pokoknya. You reap what you sow. Kamu akan apa yang kamu tabur. Kadang bahasa tubuh itu lebih daripada bahasa manusia. If you start something, you have to finish it. Don't berhenti di tengah jalan.
and never give up to something that you cannot miss a day without thinking about it. Okay. Meskipun impossibility-nya itu kayak besar banget, just try to take one step. Okay.
Bagaimana kamu bisa menulis satu buku kalau kamu nggak bisa start to write one word in the beginning? Gue bisa nih nulis self reminder nih buat diri gue sendiri. Jadi rival gue kata-katain bukuku nanti.
Tapi dia penulis loh guys, jangan remehkan dia.
Nggak gitu jadi malu.
Aduh,
Jadi malu.
penulis yang tidak pernah mempublikasikan karyanya di first account-nya.
Because I want everyone read and loves about my book, not about me. Because maybe there is someone who buy the book because of, oh, it's a Hilda's book. No, I don't want it. I don't want that. I want everyone buy my book because it's interesting, because it's good, because it's
Jadi contoh orang kalau udah capek ngomong.